Hey folks, Dr. McCarthy here, author of The McCarthy Method, Unlock the New You. Today we're going to talk about something that's come up a lot recently with everybody staying home for the past few months. Some people are even calling it like the quarantine 15. Many folks are gaining weight, but the big issue is why are you gaining weight? And there's a direct link between the food you're eating, the amount of inflammation inside your body, and your level of pain that you're feeling. So, it's not just you're eating food and it makes you fat. You eat bad food and it makes you fat. You're eating bad food and it creates inflammation. And inflammation inside your body does two things. It makes you gain weight and it makes whatever hurt more. So, what we tell people here is, yes, we're going to change your diet. This is one of the many things we talk about in the McCarthy Method book. I'll put the link down below afterwards. But we're to change your diet to an anti-inflammatory diet. I had a nice young couple in here this morning and explained to them, you're not going to eat like prepackaged weird foods. You're going to get foods that you buy at the grocery store. And I'll give you the list. Here's the foods that are anti-inflammatory. Here's the foods that are very inflammatory. Stay away from those foods. We have those lists right here in the book. But if you can do that and then utilize our food test, and the food test will tell you exactly which foods your immune system does not like. And if your immune system does not like a food, it creates even more inflammation. So folks that come in here that are feeling a lot of pain, migraine, headaches, chronic neck pain, back pain, we see a lot of these things. And I'll tell these folks, hey, look, if you make some simple dietary changes, that can decrease your pain. Just changing the food you're putting in your mouth, it can decrease your pain. That's not a bad side effect from eating healthy. There was one young lady that came in who was taking like 5 ibuprofen a day, about 5 days a week for a couple of years. And eventually, at a young age, I still think she was in her 20s, developed ulcers. We can't live that way. That's insanity. And this is going to like some medical specialist. They said, well, take ibuprofen. Well, that medical specialist just created ulcers in a young girl. We're going to change her diet. We're going to change her life. Her headaches are going to go away. Her pain's going to decrease. And she's probably going to lose like 30 pounds. Not by going on a diet. She's going to lose weight by changing her diet. So if you or someone you know and love are dealing with chronic pains, you can't lose weight, and you're ready to make a lifestyle change, simple dietary changes, I urge you, order the book. The link will be down below, or call us here at the office, 758-2222, and we can help you figure out a plan to get your life back again. Thank you. God bless you.